Good day, everyone. So there are two questions that occurred to me when I was searching for the jobs and trying to get some advanced training and search in cybersecurity field. Are we really ready for the real-world attack scenarios? Are we graduates from the BCIT cybersecurity program ready to take the road on the cybersecurity industry? Today, I will do in the presentation to suppose to implement a AI-powered cybersecurity training lab. My name is Xiaotian Wang. You can refer me as Felix, and this is a presentation for COM7200. In today's presentation, I will cover first the background and challenge shortcoming of the cybersecurity at BCIT, and then I will propose an AI-powered training lab, including details and the architectures, and then benefits for the students and faculties. And finally, I will conclude with a call to action to support and implement this lab. At present, BCIT's cybersecurity training lab is largely based on static scripted scenarios. While this method provide a basic serial fundamental, but they also fail to simulate the unpredictable and complexity of the modern cyber attack. This results in a critical gap where our students are not ready for respond to the real and dynamic cyber attacks. Based on my current research on AI security controls, this diagram perfectly shows how AI security can contribute into our current system in different phases and can be in different methods. Beyond the theoretical shortcomings, my research shows that up to 60% of security alerts are ignored or simply because current training and defense systems are too complex for non-specialists. This gap in practical training not only leaves our graduates unprepared for the job market, but also increase overall security risk for the organization that we work for. And finally, AI is rapidly evolving to generate complicated cyber attacks. We must act quick to stay ahead and let our graduates to be great for the job market. To address these problems, I propose an AI-powered cyber training labs. This lab leverage advanced AI and machine learning to create dynamic, evolving attack scenarios that simulate the real-world threats. It's not only just about presenting prescribed simulations, it's about creating an environment that every exercise is unique, challenging, and directly linked to the current cybersecurity trend. By establishing this lab, BCIT can transform its cybersecurity education program, equipping students with the skills and knowledge needed to be success in the industry. And now let's see an advertise at a Palo Alto post to illustrate how AI defends the attacks in the real world now.
This is going to sound crazy, but I know these attack vectors. Oh, had a little upgrade, have we? They learn fast, so we learn faster. That's why we train. Again and again. Out of here. Until it all becomes clear, and the solution is shared with one and all. This isn't sci-fi. This is precision AI.
So after the video, let's see this diagram that clearly illustrates how this lab will improve our security training. First of all, it equips dynamic AI generated scenarios that is real time, and it will also be able to apply immediate automatic feedbacks that is different than we have now that we only need feedback through emails. And the final is there will be more practical skills equipped to the students after this program. One of the most key points for us as students is that the lab is capable for real-time automatic feedbacks. The system will analyze students' responses as they interact with the simulation, offering immediate and personalized guidance, whether it's explaining why a practical mistake occurs or suggesting strategies to address vulnerabilities. This immediate feedback loop keeps the students engaging and constantly improve. Now, allow me to brief outline the technical architecture behind this lab. Our system is structured in layers. First of all, user interface layer, where students and instructor access the lab, and then the training layer. Here, the system dynamically generates realistic attack scenarios and tracks students' response. And then the AI layer. This component process student actions in real time and generate the security attacks in real time. And finally, the data management and security integration layer, which they are the fundamental layers to maintain the accessibility of the whole system. So what does it mean for students? Well, they gain hands-on experience in incident response, mastering the use of advanced AI-based technologies to detect, analyze, and counter cyber threats. This ensures builds not only their technical skill set, but also their confidence, making them far more industry-ready upon graduate. For the faculties and the BCIT itself, this lab reduces the manual tasks that involve with grading and feedbacks while providing more details for students and feedbacks performance. This will improve the reputation by the graduates from BCIT that BCIT will be the leading in cybersecurity training. To implement this lab at BCIT, first of all, the phase one, I will do some research, then associate with the cutting edge companies to buy hardware and software to set up the initial lab within our budget. And then the IT department will continue to develop the actual AI training to ensure the efficiency for the instructor. And then the course can be launched. During the process, there might be some challenges, for example, technical development or faculty involvement that we need to train and hire more teachers and stuff for this lab, and they need to have a real understanding in our cybersecurity. But all in all, investing in an AI-powered cybersecurity training lab isn't just an upgrade. It is necessary evolution. It prepares BCIT students for the real-world challenge, support faculties with the state-of-the-art tools, and unlimitedly secures BCIT's reputation as a global leader in cybersecurity education. And thank you for your attention. I am happy to answer any question and discuss in our discussion chat here. Here's the